Oh, hello, sheep. It's not smart to stand next to me.
No, don't kill him. Oh.
Too late.
He was so young, though.
No, he wasn't. He was a fully grown adult.
Oh. Okay, yeah, kill him.
Let's see.
It's okay now.
That's raw. Rotten flesh. What do we do with rotten flesh?
Eat it.
Why would I eat it? I'm full. Am I full?
You can feed it to my dog.
Does it hurt it at all?
No?
Does it really?
No, it doesn't.
I've never tried it before.
Dogs pretty much eat anything. It's meat.
My dog actually ate a paper airplane today. It likes paper. It doesn't like.
Did it eat it in mid-flight?
I wish that would be cool, but it doesn't. it likes paper, but only when it's folded paper. If it's not folded, she doesn't eat it.
That's weird.
She's a picky dog.
But it's paper.
She's picky about her paper.
Okay. I don't know what to say.
Alliteration for the win.
Yeah. Sure, that's okay for your dog.
I've eaten paper. It doesn't taste that bad.
Okay. Now I just have a bunch of questions.
I'm not malnourished, I promise.
Does it taste different? Is it like bark?
No, it's not.
You haven't eaten bark?
I have not eaten bark.
Well, that surprises me.
Yes. Started out with me talking about rotten flesh. Things get awkward fast when you're playing Minecraft.
Really? Huh.
Let's see. That looks pretty nice. I promise you I'm not looking at paper. I'm talking about the house.
You sure? Really sure?
I just blocked myself from getting up there.
Why did you do that? Oh. I have adventured into the great beyond. You know how great it is?
Very great.
Yeah, it's beyond. It's beyond great. Is it yours? No, it's mine. Ha! I'm in a mine. It's the Mayan temple. The Mayan temple. Because it's Mayan. It's a temple.
When you get back, you won't even believe how adaptable this place will be.
Nice.
Basically.
Yeah, okay.
It's a block, but you can take out stuff, put stuff in it.
You're making a giant chest, aren't you?
I wish I had the skill.
Skittles?
No, not the Skittles, the skill.
Skittles? Skittles.
Let's see, should I do a wooden floor? Or a stone floor?
Stone floor.
Cobblestone? Or smooth stone?
Ooh. How about you do a cobblestone, why don't you do a granite floor with an andesite trim around the outside?
Granite, okay.
Because I have a stack of granite up there.
Alright. I'll look for it. I'll probably find it.
Good. Good. Succumb to you. Ah!
What happened? Did something break?
Yeah. Gotta fix it.
I have 21 pieces of glass. I can make stuff with this.
It's good. Making stuff's good.
Yeah.
Rather than not making stuff. I'm just going through coal because I usually bypass coal because it just takes too long.
There goes
The problem I'm running into is I realize we actually need coal.
Yeah.
So, well, you know, c'est la vie.
If I may borrow a quote from Diesel's the MVT, coal is cool.
Cool.
It sounded like you were about to say Ku Klux Klan.
No, it's Coal Clue. It's our own club. We like coal.
Yes, coal is cool.
Cool.
Yeah. Polished granite?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, you have more than a stack of polished granite.
Yeah. I don't know, I kind of like polished granite.
Let's see, andesite? Is that what it was?
Andesite's in the other chest.
Andesite's in the other chest.
Yeah.
That's more granite. There we go.
I go all out with my granite.
I've got some iron. I can make a bucket so I can start a wheat farm.
Yay.
Let's see which. There it is. It's been a while since I've done this on Xbox. Don't know how to craft very many things anymore.
Crafting's hard. It's auto crafting.
I
You
know
just
how
tell it to make and it goes, okay.
I know how to actually make this stuff. I think.
I know how to make most of this stuff. It's just then when you start getting into bigger stuff,
It's like how-
jukeboxes.
How do I do this?
No idea how to make a jukebox.
I think it has a diamond in it. Right in the middle.
Yeah. I think so too.
There's another pig on a tree.
Got a pig in a tree?
That's the second one I've seen today.
Okay, so let's figure out what we're gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna call my dog. Trying to figure out names for it. Raffles is definitely not one of them. Not gonna name it something I've already named one of my dogs, like Trouble or Trooper, or Lassie and stuff like that. I'll mull it over. Maybe figure out something.
I'm not good at names.
No.
Not at all.
Yeah, I know, Bog.
I'm not good at parkour either. This isn't even parkour. This is jumping up a hill.
It's just climbing a hill.
I'm not good at that. Did I drop something? I did drop something.
Nice job.
I picked it up again.
Ooh, good for you. It's kind of like dropping the mic and going, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Let me pick this up for you.
Okay, that was creative. I thought I was dropping it. I'm very good at dropping things.
Here, hold my baby. Oh no, ah!
I'd rather not.
Here, sir, may you please hold my baby?
No.
Sure, yeah. No, oh,
There goes its head.
That's not really good.
Nope, it's not.
No.
Can I even jump onto the roof anymore? No,
Lava.
I cannot jump onto the roof.
Jump.
I heard a noise.
Ooh.
The noise was scary.
Ooh. Ah.
E.
Yeah, little monkey.
Oh.
There we go.
So what did you find?
I found life.
Spawner.
And come on, man. Ooh, we got redstone, name tag, iron ingot, string,
Name tag.
bread,
You actually name
wheat.
your dog. Once you find a name for it.
Yeah. Oh, but we need an anvil.
We have iron ore. Well, I have iron ore. It's mine because I found it.
Yeah. I have iron as well, but I don't know if that's our biggest priority. I think what I need is iron pickaxe right there. Perfect.
I know what we need. A skylight.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
We're gonna look like a giant toaster. Because I have 2 rows of glass going along the top.
Yeah.
So if you're looking at it from above, I don't know how you would. But if you were, it would look like a giant toaster.
I'm gonna grab this. Oh no.
I'll make it a rectangle.
Okay, let's drop rotten flesh. We could probably make myself some armor.
What about me?
Well, you actually have stuff there to make armor.
Oh yeah, I do.
But I just need to clear stuff out of my inventory.
Okay, so I have a skylight. I haven't done the floor, that's why it's so low. Okay.
Solo. Solo. Han Solo. Han Solo. Han Solo. Han Solo.
Oh, dang it.
I'm gonna make this wheat into actual bread.
Okay.
Conserve.
Oh, my pickaxe is almost dead.
Drop off the andesite.
I better not
gunpowder.
mess up.
Don't. Don't you dare.
Don't you die.
Sorry. Wow, that. Ugh. Like I was saying, don't. Ah, crap.
I think you'll like what I did with the floor.
Don't you die. There we go. Oh, hey. You can make diorite, granite, andesite. Ooh.
You can actually make them?
You can take 1 diorite and 1 cobblestone and make 2.
Okay, this is interesting. But I like it, because it's my floor.
My floor. My coarse dirt. Whoa.
Coarse dirt? What?
I didn't know coarse dirt existed.
Me neither.
Just explode. Kaboom.
I have a way to keep zombies out. See, the door is closed right now. Now it's open. I know.
I don't know if that.
It will, because they see the door is open, so they'll try to walk in.
Crap, Bob. I think the door's.
The door is closed.
Gosh,
Oh
I
my
swear, I'm
goodness.
trying to-
I can't get in because the door is closed. Now the door is open, I can do it.
There we go.
But it still makes it good.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, because it would be facing the other way. That's how you make double doors.
Double door. No, it's Dumbledore. Oh. Sure it's not double door?
It's
It's not 1, but 2. For the press 1, you can get 2 doors. Always, also known as double door. And if you want a table, you can get a hog table. This is not referencing to anything, by the way.
I was wondering.
Ah.
Yep, we just have a square of glass on the ceiling. Let's see, I have 7 more. And
Nice.
there's 6 in the roof that I can still put in. Nice. So perfect.
Good. Ah.
Why'd you just break?
Pickaxe.
What are you mining?
Nothing to cry about except for me.
What are you mining?
The mossy cobblestone.
I almost just messed up on the last piece of glass.
What'd you do?
I didn't mess up. I
Wow.
almost messed up.
Wow, Ob. Wow.
Oh gosh, that's sprinting. I don't need to sprint.
Yeah.
Let's see, which way has the best view? None of the ways. Perfect.
You can make like a porch.
I could.
Ooh. Oh, hey, how's it going?